In this video, we'll use PLA plus PETG as an example to show how to print easy-to-remove supports on the Snapmaker U1 3D printer. We'll use two materials with low adhesion to each other, one for the model and the other for the support or support interface. It makes the supports easier to remove while giving you a cleaner, smoother supported surface. PLA with PETG and PLA with TPU are two common and practical combinations. When the filament has absorbed moisture, extrusion becomes less stable, which can lead to stringing, under-extrusion, small holes, and rough areas on the final print. If the support material has absorbed moisture, the two materials may bond either too tightly or not enough, causing issues like support marks or sagging. So before printing, it's best to dry your filament, especially PETG and TPU, which absorb moisture more easily, and keep it sealed during printing. In this section, we'll use Snapmaker's PLA snap speed and PETGHF filaments as examples to walk through the recommended parameter settings. We'll start by showing the setup for printing the model with PETG and using PLA for the supports or the support interface. Set filament 1 to generic PETGHF and filament 2 to LA snap speed. Then, enable support under Process, Support in the left menu. A support structure has two parts, the support base and the support interface, and each of them can be printed with a different filament. Because PETG and PLA require different bed temperatures, it's recommended to print the support base, which touches the build plate, with the same material as the model, PETG, and use PLA only for the support interface. Set the top Z distance to 0 to ensure a tighter fit between the support and the model. Use rectilinear grid pattern for the support base. Set the top interface layers to 3 and switch the interface pattern to rectilinear interlaced. Set both the top and bottom interface spacing to 0 to make the interface lines more tightly packed. Based on Snapmaker's print tests, setting PLA to 230 degrees Celsius and the PETG bed temperature to 65 degrees Celsius provides more reliable results. To print the model with PLA and use PETG for the supports or the support interface, you can adjust the filament assignment in the same way. Set PETG to a printing temperature of 265 degrees Celsius, with the bed temperature at 65 degrees Celsius, and set the max volumetric speed to 10 cubic millimeters per second. Then set PLA to 230 degrees Celsius while keeping the other settings the same. Finally, load the filaments according to your material assignment, and you're ready to start printing. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.